Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to search image on Google. So let's start. First, open a browser. Now go to google.com. Now tap on three dots on top right corner and enable desktop site. Now on top right corner you will see images. Tap on that. Now on the search bar you will see a camera icon. Tap on that. You can paste the image URL or upload an image. Then tap on choose file. You can directly click a picture by selecting camera. Or you can also select an image from your gallery. Tap on choose file and select files. I'll just select a picture from my gallery real quick. And here you can see that the image is uploading. When the upload is completed, the result will show immediately. And that's how you can search images on Google. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.